Domingo Quezon Cruz. Do not say bad words. You know, for me, I never say bad words in social media. Even you're saying about bad words, you're saying about profanity, oh. I was told by Kuya Mel Nixon Castro and Nanay Net, they told their parents of Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, even the sibling of Mark Cruz, discipline him. Because you know, for me, when you discipline that person, you need to reprimand him. Just like me, I've been reprimanded by the time by my parents. Oh, when I say bad words at Nanay Ningning, it will never happen again. Last 2023. But this time, I'm just gonna say to Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, at least you deactivated your Facebook. Why can't you deactivate your own Instagram? Even Threads. Just like I said, oh, for me, I'm not making enemies in social media. At the time, me, I'm always to be responsible social media user. In Instagram Threads, I never say bad words. In Messenger, I never say bad words. Like me, I always imitate Juan Carlo Pabade. He's a good behavior. He's a good example. His behavior is, what is that? Quite good. Just like Joshua Arroyo. Thanks Juan Carlo Pabale for following me in Instagram Threads. What do you want? Lemon, behave. You behave. And you know, as I'm saying, you know, for Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, do not say bad words. Lemon, behave. Behave, Lemon! I'm yelling. Later, Lemon. Later. Sit! Oh. Sit. Alright, I just continue. I guess that stupid dog always want to go outside. Okay. Yeah, as I remember, I'm just gonna say to Mark Domingo Cruz, do not say bad words. Because you know, it's really offended, it's really a big insult. I do not want to make enemies in social media. You know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, everyone will hate you. That's why I talk with Kuya Mel Nixon Castro. That Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, he says bad words in Instagram Threads many times. He insulting Ryan Chris Lucero, Juan Carlo Pabale, even me. Juan Carlo Pabale, he doesn't like you because he doesn't like your attitude and he doesn't like profanity. You know, profanity that came back from Mark Cruz. What is that words that he said? Fuck word, asshole word, son of a bitch word. That is an insult. You know, for Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, Mark Cruz, the people out there, especially the Autism Society of the Philippines, they don't really like your behavior. They don't like bad words. Me, when I say bad words in school, in CDIFI, when I reprimand by Teacher May, at the time when I was scolded by Teacher May recently, as I realized I was wrong what I did to Prince Gan for cursing him in the bad words called PI word in Tagalog words, and I never want to say bad words. And that is an insult. Oh, you know, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, stop making bad words in social media. You're hurting anyone. You know, everyone can teach you how to use social media etiquette. That was, we discussed that with Teacher May. Before Teacher Ruti Barrientos was there, I think. We have to teach how to use social media etiquette. Teach good manners and right conduct. Why Rodrigo Duterte has a law, call it good manners and right conduct. To teach those children to be a good manners. Oh, and not to say bad words. Oh, to the elders. Respect the senior citizen. Oh, would you say, for example, in being polite, it's not really good to that's really disrespect if you're being impolite. But for Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz, you need to better to stop what you're doing. You need to stop cursing anyone in social media. Because, you know, that is cyber libel. If Juan Carlo Pabale had already sued against you in social media, like for example, if he wants to sue against you, if he sends some lots of screenshot that you say bad words, Juan Carlo Pabale will never forgive you. It's too late. You're the one who say bad words. Just like I mentioned from Nanay Ningning, said that teach that Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz good manners and right conduct. We have a GMRC. Why there is a GMRC in the Philippines? Because we need to educate those youth, even those people, a good manners and right conduct. We have GMRC Mark Cruz, and you don't know what you're talking about. I've been sent this from my friend, my former classmate, Mark Pasione. There's an anti-bullying act. That is a part of cyberbullying. You're bullying Juan Carlo Pabale. You're bullying Ryan Chris Lucero that they didn't do anything. It is better to you, Mark Domingo Quezon Cruz. You need to listen to your own parents. Your parents did not raise you up because you know you're really bad influence. You're just like me. Since I was become a bad influence since 2016 until 2026, I am no longer to be a bad influence. And I show my good deeds, that I never want to say bad words. So I told it to Kuya Mel. I never want to make fake account of Ate Dina Guillermo, Teacher May, Tiburcio, or even to Wawel Romero, just like what happened last year. I don't want to be happen at the past. Because for me, it will never do that again. Just like what happened to me, I create a fake account of Larry Chuanico. I'm the one responsible that I attacked David Gill. And that I being brought it to barangay, and I've been summoned by Kapitana Salonga. It will never happen again. But either, I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, people there are warning at you. Even Juan Carlo Pabale is warning at you. Everyone are stopping you. Even all of your closest autism are stopping you, because Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, you better to stop what you're cursing at. Just like what happened to Paulo Cruzada. He was scolded by his parents over his bomb joke. He was reprimanded by his own parents. Here, it's so annoying, that lemon. Alright, let's continue. And you know what? Just like what I say to you, Mark Cruz, listen to your own parents. When your parents prohibited you to stop saying bad words, you need to be lectured in social media. For example, look at Teacher Alexandra Pagkainawan. She was scolded by her own parents over the bomb joke or bomb threat, because she reprimanded by her own parents, even her siblings. This is hard to say, to making those things are not really good. It is better to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, just stop cursing Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. Because my cousin Ate Hana had saw in the Instagram threads. She read it from a post from Marky Boom 814 or Mark Cruz. You say a bad words. But Ate Hana was not using Instagram threads. But Nanay Net always read that and she saw it. That will be offended to the former president, that he has diabetes and he's very sick. And he is really old. You see, Mark Cruz, you do not know what you're doing, Mark Domingo Cruz. It's better to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. You need to be lectured by your own parents. Your parents did not reprimand you in social media. Your parents should be reprimanded. And don't blame Danmar. Do not blame me. Do not blame anyone. And that is your responsibility, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. You're not really responsible using social media, Instagram threads. You're not responsible. Look at in Messenger. Danmar bash you in Messenger because you are saying bad words. He blocked you in Messenger and Facebook when you were having a Facebook. Because you are wrong. Because you are wrong, you're saying bad words. That's why, as I'm a social media user, and I will teach Mark Domingo Quason Cruz about social media etiquette. I've been lesson that from my former teacher there in CDIFI, teacher May Tiburcio. Oh, you need to be more responsible. Look at Bam Hernando. Oh, you never say bad words in social media because his father, Jose Marie Hernando, advised to Bam to be a good and responsible social media user, that he will never say bad words. And Bam, I remember, he quit saying bad words. Oh, he changed himself. Oh, when Bam is grown up, he never say bad words. I've been talk of that with Clarence Barredo since I was there in Messenger, and we talk about the issue of Mark Cruz, or something, but not issue of Mark Cruz. I'm talking about, he told me about the story of Baham. Baham was my friend, and I met him in Condon Stellar Place, and he told me, just like I said before, nagbagong buhay pala si Baham, and he's not doing anything foolish, at hindi siya gumawa ng kalokohan. So if I'm just gonna say to you, Mark Cruz, I say to you, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, imitate Bam Hernando's attitude. If you love Jesus, if you go to the church in uh, Parish de Cebu, in San Pedro, Laguna, in the church, then pray for your sin, Mark Cruz. Appreciate your consequence. Accept your consequence for what you did to Tatay Digong, Rodrigo Duterte. And apologize to him and tell to Lord Jesus that that you should stop saying bad words in social media. And that is wrong. You know, Mark Cruz, if you even watch 700 Club Asia, I was told by Paula Colin Nunez, there is the Bible called the Genesis 3.37 in the Bible. When the person you judge, you should not judge to the elders. And do not curse foul languages to the elders. You need to show respect. You need to show polite and kindness to others. That's why I say to you, Mark Cruz, not say bad words. Because you know, people there, it's going to be offended. Like me, I never want to curse bad words at Nanay Ningning. I've been told that with Kuya Mel. Because at this time, I don't want to get in trouble. Because I know I changed myself. Look at Kuya Rodelio Daguman. He's changed himself also. He doesn't want to get in trouble. I don't want to get in trouble. I have to be a social media responsibility. I have to be a responsible citizen. That I should never say bad words in social media like Facebook, Instagram threads, and even Messenger. I don't message anybody. I don't create fake account in Facebook. I promise to Kuya Mel, Nixon Castro. I promise to my friend J. Rick Silva. It will never happen again. But that is a lesson for you, Mark Cruz. Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz. If Capitano Salonga had visited your place in San Pedro, Laguna, she will ask your parents to teach him a lesson and good manners and right conduct. And do not start a fight, Mark Cruz. Do not fight anyone, even Juan Carlo Pabale, Ryan Chris Lucero, when he blocked you in Instagram. Do not fight at them because you know they don't like your attitude. Because I know I'm the new David Gill here in in the social media. Oh, if I just want to say to you, Mark Domingo Quazon Cruz, be more responsible in social media and do not say bad words. Because I know Nanay Net is monitoring at you. She is watching at you for what you are doing. Yeah, at least thanks to Nanay Net, she gave me chips, oh, and I can bring it home in the house in Caloocan. But for you, Mark Cruz, do not say bad words.